G'day guys, it's Tom here from Richards Marine, just going through our latest 2750. So this one here, we've put a rear station out the back here. So Cam in our fab department has fabbed up this cool little box, which has allowed us to put this second joystick for our electronic steering out here. So that's the display for the steering, that's a joystick. So what that allows us to do is we can control the boat by this, so we can go left, right, forward and back. So when the customer's kind of pulling up to the jetty or deep dropping or whatever, he can use that. The other thing that it does do is we can do the spot lock feature. So we can press the button here, it will then hold us in position. It uses the steering and also the engines going in and out of gear automatically. So it's a really cool feature, quite a good bit of engineering that Cam's done in our fabrication department. So the door actually does swing open as well and lock onto that, so it's out of the way as well.